I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You'll start by making sure the phone is unlocked and connected. This avoids interruptions while you change privacy settings. Open Settings, then Privacy and Security, then Location Services. Once there, scroll down and tap System Services. That's where iOS stores significant location data and related history. You're taking the first actionable step now. Locate significant locations. Make sure Face ID/Touch ID or passcode is ready because iOS will require authentication. Once you authenticate, you'll see a timeline of places grouped by city and individual visits. Tap any city to expand visit details, and swipe or select specific entries if you prefer targeted deletion. To erase everything, scroll to the bottom and choose Clear History. Confirm when prompted. This clears the significant locations cached from your device and stops that stored history from influencing features like predictive routing. Remember, deleting here doesn't remove location data held by apps with their own storage. After clearing, turn off significant locations if you want to stop future collection. This prevents new entries. Once done, restart your iPhone to ensure the change takes full effect across system services. If you still see history later, make sure apps haven't saved their own location logs and check iCloud or device backups where data might be restored. Disable those backups or remove the location data from them. A quick troubleshooting tip: if items reappear, disable location services briefly, reboot, then re-enable and recheck.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.